everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Indian corn. Everything you need is just pipe cleaners and beads. Now you straighten your pipe cleaners together, bend them in the middle, and then twist them. So I got it twisted, but if you need help twisting it, just ask for help. And now you have to spread out your pipe cleaners. And then you add the beads. You can add any kind of beads on this one. And if you want to make sure there's not too many beads, you can count the beads, and that's what I'm going to be doing when I'm done with all of these. You want to put at least 16 beads and an inch and a half for the ends. And then do the same for all the others. It's okay if you have less beads than the other because it might be smaller, but the most important thing is that you have about an inch of it with no beads. I only have these 3 left. For the end, you bring them all together and twist the top, and you may want to ask for help. And that's what I'm doing.
So you hold the bottom like that, and then you just start bringing them up like that to form your corn. What I do is I take it and pinch it and then give it a twist. Like that. That forms your corn.
And then you have your corn. If like some pieces are inside, you can pull them out, like what I'm doing right now. You can use it and make a ton and make them as a centerpiece, or if you like fidget, it's kind of like a homemade fidget. You can like roll the beads around and squish it. Bye! And subscribe and like.